How to use tags on ClickUp. Hello guys and welcome back. We're back with another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating tags on ClickUp. So first of all, open your ClickUp account, and over here at the left side, you'll need to select the space of which you wish to create tags in. So if I wish to create tags within the task 1, so what I'm gonna do is gonna click on task 1. So you're gonna click on task 1 and you'll be redirected to this interface of task 1. So over here you'll have to select this tags. Now you can see the tags is empty right now because it doesn't contain any tag. So what you're gonna do is click here. So here you can see that there is no tags created. So if you have created any tags earlier, they'd be displayed over here, or even if your group members or any person within your organization has created a tag, that would be displayed over here. So here you can see I've written a tag, and when you click on it, you'll be able to see 3 options, that is delete or rename, or you can change color. So click on color and you can just select any of the color which you wish the tag to have. And you can see now that the color is changed. You can even add more tags by clicking on the empty space and write down any tag. For example, I'm writing example and just press enter. And then when you click on this, you can just click on change color and change the color of the tag, whichever you want. So I'm just going to click on purple, so it's purple right now. You can click on the dropper over here and select which color you want. And then when you click on this tag, so there are 3 dots on the tag, click on that, and when you click on delete, they're gonna ask you that are you sure you want to delete the example tag everywhere. So when you click on delete, it will be deleted everywhere. Even if your friends have used this tag, it will be deleted from them as well. So now let me show you how the tags can be used. So you can see over here this filters task. So when you click on filters, over here you can filter according to different categories. So for example, if you're gonna add a new filter, click on select filter and here select the tags one. So click on tags, and over here at the next you can select the tags is. So you can write the filter like tags is and then write down the tag over here, like only select those tasks with the tag is that, or you can even select the tasks that do not have the tag this, that is like excluding that, or you can even select is set, or you can even select the filter is not set. So that is basically include and exclude filters. You can even add another nested filter, like they're gonna check the probability that whether it should be this and this, and then the task would be filtered. Like you're gonna set 2 priorities. So that is basically how you can create and use tags on ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to view more helpful tutorials in future. See you in the next one.